Hi, I'm Amanda from Interstate Homes, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and protect your natural stone and quartz countertops with More Daily Stone and Quartz Cleaner Plus Protector. When it's time to clean your countertops, reach for the More Daily Stone and Quartz Cleaner Plus Protector. I love that it's pH neutral, which means it's safe for all natural stone and quartz. It's antimicrobial, so every time you use it, you're inhibiting the growth of bacteria in your kitchen or bathroom countertops. Not only that, it improves the performance of your sealer with every use. The icing on the cake is the delightfully fresh peppermint thyme or lavender verbena scent from essential oils. Just spray and wipe with a soft cloth or paper towel at the end of each day. You definitely want this More Daily Stone and Quartz Cleaner Plus Protector in your home. You can now save 10% on More Daily Stone and Quartz Cleaner Plus Protector when you purchase online at countertopsource.com.